The Sainlogic SA8 Plus weather station offers seamless connectivity through a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, allowing users to access precise weather forecasts via the Weatherseed app. With the capability to store weather data for up to 2 years, this station enables users to track long-term trends and analyze seasonal patterns effectively. The 8.15-inch display is designed for easy readability, featuring large, bold fonts that are perfect for individuals with declining vision. Its professional-grade rain monitoring system provides accurate rainfall data, making it a reliable tool for meteorologists and weather enthusiasts alike. Installation is straightforward, with a user-friendly setup process that requires no technical expertise, making it accessible to first-time users. This weather station is highly versatile, suitable for use on rooftops, fences, ranches, and even boats, ensuring comprehensive weather monitoring in various settings.